Take a moment to check out the 2024 Jeep Wrangler. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, remote engine start, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, backup camera, keyless start. Capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.